Hey, you want to learn how to read binary today? Reading binary is really not as hard as you would expect it to be, and unfortunately, there's not a whole lot of coding or anything that happens in binary anymore. But it's still a neat thing to know how to do, and it's cool to be able to say that you can do it. Anyway, I think that you're going to enjoy this. I'm hoping anyway. I mean, you clicked on the video, right? So anyway, I'm going to do this in an Excel spreadsheet, or I guess Google Sheets, whatever. But I think that this will make it a little bit easier to visualize what I'm trying to explain. So let's make up any binary number. How about 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1? Okay, so every number in this binary set is representative of another number. Starting on the right-hand side, the rightmost number is always representative of a number 1. So if your rightmost number in binary is a 1, that means that you have a 1 in that category. If that number was a 0, it means you do not have anything. You have a 0. So anyway, let's change it back to this. So we have a 1 in our rightmost category, which means we have 1, and every number going leftward is actually twice what the last one was. So if this rightmost number in binary represents 1, the number to the left of it is going to represent 2. Notice we have a 0 here. So 0 means no, we don't have a number there. So this is a 0. So if we double 2, that becomes 4. And if we double 4, 8. When we double 8, we get 16. And when we double 16, we get 32. So if your binary number went on further, like if you have a 1 right here, it'd be 64. But we don't. We're going to keep this simple. Okay, so let's go back to where we left off. So a 1 means that the number exists, and the 0 means that it doesn't. So right here we have 2. There's 0, meaning that there's no 2's. So right here in our column for number 4, we have a 1. That means we have 4 in this column. There we go. Right here in our 8's column, we have a 1, which means we have 8. In our 16's column here, we have a 0, which means we don't have anything there. So that's a 0. And right here on our final column, 32, we have a 1, which means 32. Okay, so now down here we have all of these numbers. In our 1's category, we have a 1. We don't have anything in our 2 category. We have a 4 in our 4 category. We have 8, 0, 32. So now you're probably saying, now what do I do with these? That's real simple. All you have to do is add them up. So 32 plus 0 plus 8, so 32 plus 8 is 40, plus another 4, so that was 40, plus 4 brings us to 44, plus 0, still at 44, plus 1 is 45. So the number 101101, it's just the number 45. So let's clear some of this out. And I don't know if I'm doing a very good job describing this, but hopefully you can follow along. So I'm going to leave these numbers here because just for visualization's sake. And let's put another number in here. Let's do 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. And the answer isn't going to be 45. So now, let's say that the binary number, like I said, is 101110. So what does that become as far as an actual number that is readable? And pause the video, do your math, whatever you need to do here. But if your answer is 46, you're correct. So hopefully that explains how to read binary. You can impress your friends, your family, your teachers, priests, rabbis, community members, youth group leaders, incarcerated convicts, really anybody. So I hope you found this useful. Maybe you learned something. Hopefully it wasn't too hard to follow, but either way, I hope you've enjoyed it. So thanks for coming along. See you later.